To fix Shopify login problems, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection and the latest version of your web browser. Clear your browser cache and cookies, as outdated or corrupted data can prevent you from logging in. Next, verify your login credentials, making sure to enter the correct email and password associated with your Shopify account. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. Check if your account has been locked due to multiple failed login attempts. If so, wait for the specified time period before trying again or contact Shopify support for assistance. Ensure your account is active and not suspended. If your account is suspended, you will need to contact Shopify support to resolve the issue. Also, be aware of phishing scams, which can lead to login problems. Only access your Shopify account through the official Shopify website and avoid clicking on suspicious links or providing sensitive information to unverified sources. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try using a different browser or device to rule out any software or hardware problems. You can also try disabling any recently installed browser extensions, as they may be interfering with your login. Finally, if you have tried all the above steps and still cannot log in, contact Shopify support for further assistance. They will be able to provide more specific guidance and help you resolve the issue.